Hey everybody, welcome to another Splatty episode, and for this one we're going to be drawing a giraffe. So giraffe, as we know, is like a horse but with a really long neck, so we are not starting in the middle of the page this time. We'll be starting up here, and his neck will go there and his body down here. So right up here, top corner, we'll start with his head. I'm going to draw a little circle, more of an oval. Add a little, what looks like a little eyebrow, 2 eyebrows, some eyes, and a mouth. So now that looks like a smiley face. Add a little twig there, and above this little smiley face we'll add an eye and follow up with another eye. Pupils first. I'm gonna color it in with a marker. There we go. The next one. See, now the little smiley face at the bottom is actually his nose and mouth. That's his nostrils. I'm adding in the eyebrows over here, and you know the fluffy patch. I like my fluffy hair. And giraffes has these little horns called ossicones. So we draw those in. Ossicone number 1 and number 2. And now we can complete the side of his head. We'll add the ears in later. Side of his head, that side. And I'm just leaving a little gap because you know his neck is going to be following down here. For the ear, the inside of the ear, it's nice to show some detail. The next one, some detail over there as well. Okay, there we go. So these are giraffe face, and giraffes has these little, they have these little marks in their face, the markings all over their body. They have some up until their face as well. So now we draw 2 lines, long lines, because it's a long neck. There we go. That's a giraffe neck. So from the bottom, from the neck we go down to the bottom. That's going to be his hind leg that's forming there. Here we go. So we have a thigh, and we have this little weird knee part that looks like it's going backwards. Giraffes has very skinny legs as well. For the front leg, upper part first, skinny leg going down. There we go. Front part of the leg, and there we have it. So we fill in the belly line, and now it's looking like a giraffe. So we have to draw in the other legs over here. The legs on the other side will show through. There we go. Hind leg and another leg in front. So now it looks like he was just, you know, out for a walk, chewing on a twig, and he stopped when he saw us and gave us a little smile. Yep. Add the tail, and our giraffe is complete. Okay, so our basic shape is complete. Now we have to add the mane going down his neck. So that's the hair going all the way down his neck. More and more and more, till we reach the bottom, and we are there. Okay, now we have to add the shapes, all these markings. So here you can add any shape you want. I'm doing rectangles, squares, circles, triangles. It's entirely up to you. You can just add any shape you want, because we can all see he's a giraffe. He'll just be a special giraffe with triangles, rectangles, circles, and squares. Another one there, and one hiding over there. Circle, marking on his back. Another little odd shape. More odd shapes. What's that? Rectangle, maybe. And circle there, triangle there, another circle, another rectangle, and the last shape is in. Okay, so there we have it. Our giraffe is complete. What's in his mouth though? He's eating a little branch. Yeah, he's having some lunch. The twig, fresh leaves. It's like having a salad. There we go. That's our giraffe. Okay, so now we're adding some color, and as you can see, I sped up the video just to make this bit go a whole lot quicker. So I'm using the yellow color for the main bits of his body. His primary color is this yellow, and we're going down. We're making our way all between these shapes, because the shapes we can do, you know, we can color whichever color we like there. Okay, almost done. And down his thigh and the belly area, all between the lines. Keep it within the lines there. Okay, black hooves, black tail, and a beige color for the mane, and I'm even adding a little bit of brown in there. The ossicones, his mouth, and the ears, more yellow, and little blue hair. We can do whatever we want. This is our giraffe. He can be multicolored. Yeah, so I'm gonna choose between these colors. I have a brown, I have a gold, I have an orange, and I have a red. All these shapes, take your time, get it done neatly, even adding in some gold, some more orange, and I'll finish off with the blue. And done. There's our giraffe all colored in. Well, there we have it. I hope you liked the video. You can always rewind and pause as we go along if you think I'm going a bit too fast. But thanks for watching. Please like, do subscribe, be good, and have fun. Bye.